Hello guys, today I show you how to disable or enable icons on taskbar here. You see here it doesn't have icon of Wi-Fi here, internet. So you don't have here how to enable it. So to enable it, you go here, just right click and click here, taskbar setting, and you have here taskbar. So it has it will work any laptop or desktop. Just click here, right down, scroll down a little bit here, turn system icons on or off, click on it. See here network is disabled. Yeah, let's check when you enable it. It come up, so you can disable volume here. See, it disable. So you it's depend on you which one do you want to enable or disable. Yeah, here on taskbar. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.